The purpose of the workshop is extremely important. I think it's to show coaches what it is that we're looking for, but to also make them understand that these are the type of players they must develop for us, the type of players they must prepare, also what we prepare before camp and how they can assist us, and what we do in camp, because what we do is not a secret, but for them to understand where we're going, what we require from them as coaches, also to get their understanding. And I thought the questions that they asked is that they understand the game, because it was not just about me giving information, but it was about me and them having an interaction and giving them a chance to ask some questions. But I thought it was a really good session because they work with the players 24/7, and if we can give them as much information of how they can help us and what it is that we're looking for, then we will have a magic partnership going forward. The Sasol League has been very important. You look at 2023 World Cup, so many players came through the Sasol League as well as the WAFCON. We still have some very good players that play in the Sasol League. It's the nurturing where people nurture and then get the potential to go a little bit higher. I can honestly say if we didn't have the Sasol League, we'd be in serious trouble. I think many teams would fold, and through that they're able to sustain themselves, but more importantly able to develop. So it's been a fantastic breeding ground for the national team, and it will continue to do so.
Well, it's very important that as Sasol we enable a platform for Coach Des to transfer knowledge and to transfer expertise. The coaches within the Sasol League system have a responsibility to prepare the players for call-up to the national team. And that's exactly the integration that this roadshow with Coach Des is what we're looking forward to achieve. And we believe that the impartation of skill and knowledge will deliver that as an end product.